Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I have got a brand new unboxing to share with you. It's a spoiler video, so you're seeing it a little bit earlier than usual. And it is the July Lookfantastic. It's a bag. It's not a box, it's a bag. So as always, if you're new to Lookfantastic, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it. But if you've heard it all before and you're just curious in seeing what's inside their July bag, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. Lookfantastic is a monthly beauty subscription box that ships worldwide. The cost of the box is £15 and inside contains 6 beauty products ranging from skincare, hair care, makeup, body care and also nails and beauty tools as well. You can opt for a monthly subscription which you can cancel any month, but they also offer a 3, 6 and 12 month subscription at a reduced cost. Even though this box is a PR box, Lookfantastic send them out to me a little bit early so I can show you. I do subscribe to Lookfantastic and I have been subscribing for nearly 4 years, and I take out a 12-month subscription. So instead of paying £15 a month, the subscription is reduced to £13 a month, and I've been doing that for the last 2 years. And with those boxes, I either keep them and give them as gifts to friends and families, or I put them up for giveaways on my Instagram page or my Facebook page, which are both Diaryofabeautygeek, and I've got a giveaway going up in the next couple of days on Instagram. So if you're not already following me on Instagram, you'll find a link down below. Being a long time subscriber, I would say that this box is predominantly skincare heavy. Some months obviously we have more makeup than usual, but generally I'd say it's more skincare heavy. So if that is your thing, then I definitely recommend you checking it out. For the value of the contents that you receive, they say that no box or bag is going to be worth less than £50, and we have had boxes worth over £100 numerous times over the last couple of years as well. Lookfantastic have got lots of limited edition beauty boxes on their website at the moment. They've got an amazing sale on a Laura Mercier limited edition. It was retailed at £60 for subscribers. It's now on sale for £46 and it's worth £134. I recently did a video, so you're welcome to take a look at that if you want to have a look to see what's inside, or you will find links to the boxes because they've just brought out a Moroccan oil limited edition box for £30 or £35, and there's lots of other boxes there, so you'll find all that down in my description, as well as a discount off your first box as well. So underneath this video you see show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that would bring up my description and everything would be listed down there. So let's get on to showing you what's inside the summer bag. So as well as the bag, you will get sent the booklet as well, and in here details everything about the products inside the box, so I'm able to refer to it as we go along. Plus it gives you the theme for the month, and also have we got a sneak peek for the August box? Yes, we have. Oh my word. Okay, this is the first time I've seen this because literally this came about an hour ago, so I've been busy sending my kids to school and doing my hair and makeup ready, so I haven't had a look. So this is the very first time I'm looking at everything. We've got 2 limited edition boxes coming. First one, we've got an Omorovicka, which is worth £271 and it's launching in August. And also we've got a Revolution. It's worth £77 and that's coming out in August as well. So yeah, so look out for those 2. So the sneak peek for August's subscription box is a Ciati London Glow to Illuminating Blush in shade Matchmaker. It's a marble illuminating blusher with a lightweight feel and it's worth £11.60. That'd be quite nice actually. So yeah, it looks like a colour I would use. Okay then, so going back to the theme, it says July marks the start of the holiday season. Schools are finished for the summer holidays and workers are taking much needed annual leave. That's the premise behind this month's beauty box, and the reason we've decided to give you your products in a bespoke travel bag this month, perfect for any summertime getaways, whether it's staycation or vacation. Enjoy. I love these little bags. They came out with one was it last year? I'm sure they do them every year. I'm sure they do. They came out with a gorgeous turquoise beauty bag. Oh, I like that. Look, that's a really nice pack-in bag. Really handy, isn't it, to put like your makeup, toiletries, etc. in a suitcase. I love that. So the first product in the bag is our sneak peek from the June box, and it's a Elemis moisturizer. This is the Superfood Glow Priming Moisturizer, 20 mils there. Now I've got the full size version of this and I really like it. It gives like a dewy glow to your skin. So perfect under makeup. You might not be able to see there. Very, very slight glow to my hand. It feels amazing on my skin. I really, really like it. This Elemis Priming Moisturiser is here to give you smooth, radiant complexion of your dreams, blended with nourishing ingredients that will also brighten your skin. Perfect for use as a daily moisturiser, a primer, or as a natural base. It contains kombucha, ginger, green tea, seed oil, and it says here how to use. Put a pea-sized amount all over your skin and neck, or if wanting to use as a highlighter, dab a small amount onto the high points of the face, tip of the nose and Cupid's bow. So that's the first product. Next we've got a tan, and this is completely new for me. I've never tried this, so I'm really excited, and the fact it's got cucumber on it. Oh, hydrating gradual glow. This is by Mind Tan Body Skin, and it's a soothe and moisturize face and body tan mist, and it's hydrating, and there's 30 mils there. I love these sprays. I love them. I've just come to the end of using a Jamie Genevieve U-Tan spray in dark. I love that as well. It's just so quick and easy. These sprays, you can put them on your skin. If you've got bare skin, you can put them on top of your skin after skincare, or you can put them on top of your skin after makeup. Well, I'm assuming you can with this, because most of them you can. Oh, it smells so nice. It smells so, so nice. A refreshing face and body spray which acts as a gradual tanner to give you a bronzy glow this summer. With a lightweight formula that is instantly absorbed and zero fake tan smell, this gradual tanner is suitable for face and body and is perfect for that golden glow. It contains cucumber, citric acid, jojoba oil, macadamia seed oil. And it just says then how to use it, where it's holding it 15 centimeters away, making sure that it's dried down on your skin before you put your clothes back on. I love that. I love that. We have got a lipstick by Revlon. This is a new brand, not a new brand that I haven't seen. I don't think I've ever seen a Revlon product in a Lookfantastic box before. So this is quite exciting. It's in Rose Wine. Nice rosy shade. I'll try a little bit on my hand there. Oh yeah, that is nice. I thought that it might be quite a rosy colour, and we seem to have had a lot of them in the last, I'd say last year maybe. Nearly every lipstick we received in different subscription boxes, it was a rosy tone, which is nice. I do like it, but it was nice to see something different. So when I first saw this, I thought, okay, but that is stunning. That is stunning. That is a really, really gorgeous shade. I am really chuffed with that. So let's see if we all get the same then. Sometimes we don't. Yeah, it looks like we all get the same lipstick. A creamy lipstick that adds a pop of natural colour to your pout. Infused with liquid silk formula that seals in both pigment and softness for a lip look that is long lasting and doesn't crack or flake. And then it says, expert tip, rub some of the lipstick onto the back of your hand and use a dense face brush, apply to the cheeks as blusher to tie your makeup look together. Yeah, really, really happy with that. Next, we've got something for hair, and this is by Grow Gorgeous. This is Defense Anti-Pollution Leave-In Spray, and we've got 60 mils there. A protective hair mist that shields your hair from heat damage, colour fade and external aggressors. Vegan friendly and formulated without parabens, sulfates or silicons. Especially great for greasy hair that is prone to product buildup. It contains green tea extract, sunflower extract and vitamin B5, and it says spray onto towel dried hair, comb through and style as normal. I love that. We've had a few products from Grow Gorgeous before, but they tend to be face masks, which are lovely, but we've never had anything like this before. This is a little bit different. An anti-pollution heat defense leave-in spray. Yeah, I'm impressed with that. Then we've got a teeny tiny sample of Illamasqua Beyond Liquid Highlighter in shade Oh My God. This is a little teeny tiny one. 2 mils, and then it's got a little seal on it as well. You can see there. It feels really lovely on my skin. It does feel really, really nice. But what's it look like? Yeah, it's nice. It's a shame it's so small though. A liquid highlighter taking inspiration from the brand's infamous Beyond Highlighting Powder that will give you a striking strobe-like glow. Mix into your base makeup for a natural luminosity or apply directly to the high points of your face for a champagne glowy finish. And then it goes on to telling you how to use it, and alternatively you can mix it in with your moisturiser, primer or foundation for a dewy glow to your complexion. So yeah, that's nice, but it's super, super tiny. And then lastly, we've got a mask by Star Skin, VIP 7-second luxury all day mask, 7-in-1 miracle skin mask pads. So it looks like there. A new generation 7-in-1 beauty innovation that combines the ultimate 7-step skincare routine in one easy use. Supercharged mask pad to deliver instantly fresh and dewy looking skin within seconds. Use when your regular skincare routine won't do the job or when you're short on time and need to prep for a special event. What? I'm really confused by this. This double-sided cleansing pad works to hydrate and refresh your complexion as it cleans for quick but effective skincare. It contains glycerin, niacinamide, berry seed extract and grapeseed extract. And it says to massage the textured side of the pad all over your face. Flip over and complete skincare step by swiping the smooth side across the skin. Follow with your serums and moisturiser of choice. But it doesn't give me any information about why is it 7-in-1? Massage, exfoliator, toner, serum, moisturiser, mask and makeup primer. So if it's all that, then why would you follow with your serums and moisturisers afterwards? I am really confused, or am I really stupid? Could be the latter. Could well be. I'm going to have to look into it. So those are all the products. So I'll just gather them all up and do a bit of a recap. So we've got an Elemis Superfood Glow Priming Moisturiser. Got a Grow Gorgeous Anti-Pollution Heat Styling Leave-In Spray. A Revlon Lipstick in shade Rose Wine. Illamasqua Beyond Liquid Highlighter. Got a Mind Tan Body Skin. A Gradual Tan Spray with Cucumber. And lastly, the Star Skin VIP 7-in-1 all-day mask. The cost of the box is £15. They used to have the price of the products inside the box, but they stopped doing that a couple of months ago, so I can't tell you the overall value. But as I said at the start, they state that the value of the boxes or bags come to a minimum of £50 each month. I really like this month's bag. I think it is fab. There's some gorgeous products there. I cannot wait to try. The only downside of all the products is the Illamasqua. It's a tiny little sample, and it would have been nicer if we were given at least like 10 mils. just to make it feel like we're getting 6 proper products inside, if you know what I mean. It just feels like it's an added extra. It's tiny. 2 mils is super tiny, so I'm a bit disappointed with that. But overall, I do think this month, or July's beauty bag, is amazing. I think definitely for £15 we've got some amazing products in there, and yeah, I am really chuffed. But I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of this bag? Are you going to subscribe based on what you've seen in this video, or are you already a subscriber that can't resist spoiler videos? I'd love to hear what you think of the products, and also please comment down below if it's not for you as well. I love to read all your comments. So thanks for watching, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.